So we're going to be building 2 butters, one roasted garlic, and then we're going to be moving on to our honey almond butter.
Okay.
That pairs really nice with the bannock that we just made. So to start, we'll do our roasted garlic butter, and we're going to be roasting our garlic. If you've never roasted garlic before, might seem intimidating, but it's really not.
It's really not.
No. So you're gonna cut your bulb of garlic so that you can expose all the cloves, and then you're going to be drizzling just a little bit of oil.
Okay.
We're gonna make a little garlic tent, and then we're gonna put that in the oven at 400 for around 30 to 45 minutes until it's nice and brown.
It's incredible how soft it gets. Like, it's lovely. And it mellows out quite a bit too. So it might seem like a lot, but it's really not, because the flavor is just completely different.
Yeah, exactly.
Not completely, but a little bit.
Yeah, and it comes to like this nice consistency. So we have it here. So this is two bulbs.
2 bulbs.
2 bulbs, and we're adding that into our 1 cup of unsalted butter.
I like it already.
Yes, lots of garlic, yum. And then we're going to be adding in our Parmesan cheese. We got a 1/4 cup.
Okay.
Then we're going to do some fresh parsley.
And you said this is unsalted butter, right?
Correct,
Obviously, 'cause
unsalted.
we've got some salt coming up here, so.
So I like to add my salt in, right, and kind of go based on the recipe itself. But so we have some salt, and then we also have some onion powder as well.
Delish.
Yeah, and then we're going to be mixing this up together.
Okay.
And we're going to be going until it's nice, light, and fluffy.
Okay.
So now we're going to move over to our
Sweet butter.
the sweet butter, the honey
savory
almond.
done? Yeah.
Yes. So honey almond, same thing. We're just adding ingredients to our 1 cup of unsalted butter. So we have almond extract that we'll be adding in.
Okay.
Yeah. Then we're going to be doing brown sugar. And then we got some honey as well.
Local BeeMaid Honey. Wonderful. And I guess you can sort of add more if you want it to be a little sweet, super sweet.
You could, yes. So we're gonna mix this similar to the other butter as well until nice, light, and fluffy, combined. And then, once that is all nice, light, and fluffy.
Whipped up, yeah.
Whipped up. We're going to be looking at our garnishing our butters.
The part I was born to play. And so just actually really quickly, how long does this butter, does it keep for a while? Can you freeze it?
You can freeze butter, yes. So freezing butter is actually a really great way to, if you want to stock up, store it. You can make flavored butter and then store it as like little.
That as well?
Yeah.
Okay,
So
good.
unsalted butter up to 3 months. Add a piece of additional tinfoil.
Okay.
If it's salted butter, tinfoil around your block.
Packaging.
Original packaging, and then put it in the freezer for up to a year for salted.
So a little bit longer on that one. Okay,
Yeah.
so garnish, you've got the savory, I've got the sweet here.
We do, yeah.
So what are you adding to yours? I've got almonds and honey here on mine, so.
So I'm gonna add just like a little sprinkle of Parmesan.
Okay.
A little cute fresh parsley.
Lovely.
You got some sliced almonds.
Yep, and then more of that fantastic BeeMaid honey.
Yeah.
Lovely.
And then we're gonna drizzle some oil as well.
Okay, terrific. And so there you have it, this incredible flavored butter here, courtesy of Dairy Farmers of Canada. Got to try it. Got to try it. I mean, may we try it?
Yeah, right, with the bannock.
I'm a little bit too eager here.
Love it.
Okay, so we're going to give this a go here in this wonderful guimau, bannock, and the flavored butter. When we come back, though, chapter 3 of our food story tonight with Tressa Beaulieu, and we're going to make some wild rice soup. Don't go anywhere here on Great Taste of Manitoba.
Cheers.
You're watching Great Tastes of Manitoba, brought to you in part by Manitoba's farmers and ranchers. Local farms, local foods.